Hello, we're making a garlic alioli Lebanese style, and for that we need 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 garlic clove without germ, the juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of salt, and the rind of 1 lemon as well. We're going to mix all that together, and that's your alioli. That goes really well with a chicken shawarma or chicken, beef, pork, or fish that you do on the grill. If you marinate any of those meats and grill them, this is a really nice spread to put on top, or a nice alioli to put on top of that. Check out the videos I have at the end. Thank you for the likes, thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Chaito. Don't forget to taste. You always have to taste what you cook and correct. Chaito.